Hello everyone. So welcome to our new lecture. Now from this lecture we are going to start chapter number 10, that is division of polynomials. Okay, in the previous lecture we have completed chapter number 5, that was expansion formula. Okay, now we are going to deal with polynomials. Now in the previous chapter also we have seen a lot of equations. Okay, for example 7x square minus 2x equal to 0. Okay, consider this equation. So this algebraic expression where there is only one variable and the index is going to be a whole number. For each term, the maximum index will be a whole number. Such algebraic expressions are called as polynomials. Okay, what is polynomial? It is an algebraic equation, mathematical equation, where you will see variable, coefficients and index, and the index will be a whole number. Index is nothing but power of the equation, okay, or power for each term. Now we know how to add the polynomials. We have seen the multiplication of polynomial. We have seen the subtraction of polynomial in our previous classes and lectures. Now we are going to see the division of the polynomial. But before going to that, let us have some recap of the polynomials. Okay, so now if we speak about the degree of polynomial, degree of polynomial. So what is degree? Let me write this equation: 3x cube minus 2x square plus 4x minus 7 equal to 0. Now this is an algebraic equation. Okay, this is a polynomial where there is variable x and the maximum index or the maximum power of the equation is 3. So what is degree of polynomial? It is the biggest index or the greatest index in the equation. If we see an equation or a polynomial, in the polynomial, the maximum power will be my degree of the polynomial. So in this equation, what is the degree? Degree is 3. What is the degree? The degree is 3. Okay. Now 2x square minus 4x raised to 4 minus 5x raised to 5 plus 2x cube equal to 0. Now this is also an algebraic equation or a polynomial, and in this polynomial the degree is 5. What is the degree? The degree of this polynomial is 5, as the maximum power is 5. Okay. Now let us see the addition, subtraction and multiplication of polynomial. Then we will head towards the division of polynomial. Okay. Now I would like to add these two polynomials, that is 2x minus 4x square plus 2x cube minus 8 equal to 0 and 3x raised to 4 minus 2x square plus 4x cube minus 7 equal to 0. Now there are two polynomials. This is my polynomial number 1 and this is polynomial number 2. And I want to add both the polynomials. So how I will add it? I will just take 2x minus 4x square plus 2x cube minus 8 equal to 0 plus 3x raised to 4 minus 2x square plus 4x cube minus 7 equal to 0. Okay. Definitely I will add the LHS by LHS and RHS to RHS. So 0 plus 0 becomes 0. So I will get 2x minus 4x square plus 2x cube minus 8 plus 3x raised to 4 minus 2x square plus 4x cube minus 7 equal to 0. 0 plus 0 becomes 0. Okay. Now we will combine the like terms or the terms which have same power. Okay. So there is only one term which have the power 4. So we will take 3x raised to 4 as it is. Okay. Then we can see there are two terms which have the power 3. So we will take them together, that is 2x cube plus 4x cube. Okay. Then again there are two terms which have the same power, that is minus 4x square and minus 2x square. Okay. And there is only one term which have the power 1. Okay. That is 2x. So plus 2x. Then there are two constants, minus 8 and minus 7. So minus 8 minus 7 equal to 0. We have to keep in mind that we can add only those variables which have same power. Okay, you cannot add 2x square plus 3x cube. Okay, keep this in mind, because the power for the first term is 2 and the another term is 3. Okay, so if you want to add any of the term from the polynomial, it must have same power. Okay, so 3x raised to 4 will be as it is, then plus 2x cube plus 4x cube. Okay, so 2 plus 4 is 6 and x cube as it is. Okay, so we got 6x cube. Okay, then minus minus becomes plus, 4x square plus 2x square is 6x square. Sign of bigger number, so bigger number is 4, so it has minus sign. Okay, so minus 6x square. Then 2x will be as it is, minus minus becomes plus, 8 plus 7 is 15. Okay, and sign of bigger number, that is minus sign, that is equal to 0. So we got the addition of these two polynomials as 3x raised to 4 plus 6x cube minus 6x square plus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. In this way we can add, and in the similar way we can also subtract the equation. Okay, now let us see one more example for the multiplication of polynomial. Now we want to multiply 3x raised to 4 plus 2x square into 2x cube minus 2x square. Okay, here you can see there are two polynomials given over here. Okay, and we want to multiply these two polynomials. Now in case of addition and subtraction, we can add or subtract the terms which have same power. But for multiplication, power is not necessary, or it is not an important term to perform the operation. Okay, mathematical operation. Here we can multiply the terms which have different powers. Okay, and here we have to apply the rules or laws of indices. Okay, so the fundamental type or the fundamental process to solve this equation is very simple. The way we solve other algebraic equations, in the same way we have to solve this equation as well. Okay, we will multiply the first term to the second bracket, then the second term to the second bracket. Okay, so first term multiplied by the second bracket, so 3x raised to 4 multiplied by 2x cube minus 2x square, then plus 2x square multiplied by 2x cube minus 2x square. Okay, that is equal to, now 3x raised to 4 into 2x cube, so 3 2s are 6. Now x raised to 4 into x raised to 3. We know the rule that a raised to m into a raised to n is nothing but a raised to m plus n. Okay, so we are going to use this law of indices. So x into x, x raised to 4 into x raised to 3. So x raised to 4 plus 3. What is 4 plus 3? It is 7. So we got 6x raised to 7. Okay, now minus sign, plus into minus becomes minus. 3 2s are 6. x raised to 4 into x raised to 2. So that becomes x raised to 6. 4 plus 2 is nothing but 6. Okay, then plus 2 2s are 4. X raised to 2 into x raised to 3, that becomes x raised to 5. Plus into minus becomes minus. 2 2s are 4. X raised to 2 into x raised to 2 becomes x raised to 4. So in this way we can multiply the given polynomials. Okay. Now we have seen the introduction to this particular chapter. Okay, we know what is polynomial. We have seen the degree of polynomial. What is the degree? The degree is the maximum power or the greatest power in the given polynomial. So if you see this particular equation, the maximum power is 7. So degree of this polynomial is 7. Okay. Now in the description you will find a link where you will get some questions to practice. Okay, you have to solve those questions, and those questions are for addition, subtraction and multiplication of the polynomials. In the next lecture we will study the division of monomial to a monomial, and we will see what is monomial, binomial and so on. Okay, so until then, goodbye.